Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling location services on your phone and making sure WhatsApp is updated. This avoids permission errors. Next, open the exact chat, one-to-one or group, where you plan to share live location. Once you're in the chat, tap the attach paperclip icon on Android or the plus icon on iPhone to reveal sharing options. This first step puts you in the right place and preps WhatsApp to request permissions, so you can actually send live location without interruptions. Once the attach menu appears, tap location, then choose share live location, not send your current location, because live location continuously updates. You'll see duration options like 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. Select the one that fits and optionally add a note so recipients know why you're sharing. If the app asks, grant WhatsApp foreground location permission so it can update coordinates while you use other apps. Make sure battery saver isn't blocking background refresh, otherwise location updates may stop. Finally, tap send to start broadcasting. You'll see a map preview with a live timer and a moving blue dot if working correctly. You can stop sharing anytime from the chat by tapping stop sharing. If the live location doesn't update, check 3 things. Confirm WhatsApp has location permission and background refresh. Ensure you have cellular or Wi-Fi signal, and disable battery saver or app optimization for WhatsApp. If problems persist, restart the phone and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.